Do we have a look? Wow.
Ladies, drama, leave it home. If he ain't got it right by now, then scratch him off. He just called me, said it's about 20 strong. They standing at the door, don't wanna take us on. The ring, let it go by 3 months ago. The pain, the stress, that ain't me no more. The girl that they used to know done changed. Now they say miss before they mention my name. Y'all, I was gonna bump like these. Y'all didn't think that I could bump like these. Said I told y'all I was gonna bump like these. Turn around and I make it jump like these. Wanna keep that boy and make it jump like these. Y'all didn't think that I could make it thump like these. See, I told y'all was gonna jump like these. How you not gonna know it when it hits like these? 664 came up real slow, put a good game on me. Told him partner don't get too close, so comfortable, cause the quick ain't for me. Got my girls all here, me, so spare me please, all your personal info. I ain't thinking about love.
That's it, y'all. Like, I only had to. Wow. No styling needed. Like, I ain't even cut the lace. I didn't even cut the lace yet. Wow. It's a chicken salad. Wow. One of a kind. Who needs? Wow. This is so cute. I love it in this color too, though. I really do. Like, I was thinking like, damn, if it was in the color black, me just loving black, like, such a plain thing. This is given very much so New Year's Eve. Oh, my hands are so ashy. I can just picture this for New Year's Eve. Hold on now. I had it on wrong this whole time. Maybe it was like, it's supposed to be like this. So I had it on wrong to the other side. But she was cute the opposite way too. So I'm gonna spray this on the BioSilk Therapy because I had messed up the other side. And I'm gonna try to comb it out and kind of play with her. You know what? Maybe I shouldn't comb her out. And ooh. I'm just gonna put the curls together like that. So I spread a little of this. Instead of like putting the actual serum on. I like that spray because it kind of like missed it. Instead of you just putting so much of it onto the wig. Whenever I want that light application. Yeah, feel me. And the curls are just coming together all over again. Yeah. Okay. I'm just cute. I don't know how to make her. That's okay. I don't know. It's like, I'm just like this. I guess. Well, it's the first time I like lively showed you guys how I feel about a wig when I first put it out, like the first impression. Oh, bringing back the first impression videos. The first impression era was definitely an era to be in. You definitely could tell how somebody feels about a product, you know, from first impression. And I don't even got my mic set up, so hopefully this sounds alright, cause yeah. Or maybe I should put on my mic. We got the mic on. I mean, look, okay, so the hair quality is definitely there. Like, she is cute, and the fact that you can tell when like quality is there when you just can put on a little shine and the curls just get together, and it's so easy to manipulate the hair. Even with the curls, like, I'm going through it with ease. Now with me playing with her, right, I had to adjust her again. I just feel like the other side though didn't give too much Annie, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Does that make sense? And that was backwards. I didn't know how to it on backwards. I'm thinking the lace part was like there, but I was like, wait, usually the lace part is at the bottom, right? Am I bugging? I feel like the bottom gives more highlights. That was the bottom. In fact, I'm not sure. Let me see something real quick. This would be the top and this would be the bottom. That's how it would be. But what I had it was before, right? In the beginning, I had it this the top. Yeah, call me crazy. I like it this way. Hold on, y'all. It looks, because I kind of shifted it, right? From it being front to back and back to front again. It needs to kind of like, who's gonna know? I don't know. Y'all let me know. Call me crazy, but I definitely see now this side is not cooperating. You really gotta play around with her, you guys. You really gotta play. It's like there's not much styling but to play with her the way you want her to be. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh. A little back clip for you guys because I know you guys always die for those. Oh my goodness, this is the finished look, you guys, and I'm freaking in love with it. So adorable. Oh my gosh, it was just so fun unpacking with you guys and kind of getting my first impression. And this is how we end up turning out. Super cute. I went ahead and put on a little dress, a little dressy dress, because I just feel like this is gonna be just a cute look for the holidays. If you're one that just is going into 2023 where you just don't want to do much, you want to be that real effortless look, bare minimum. I hardly did my eyebrows because the bangs are like covering it. And if you don't want it to be bangs, y'all, just to keep that in mind, you can do like a side, you know, like one of these, like that, if you happen to like that. Or you can happen to do one of those, like, you know, like let it fall like that. Whatever that floats your boat, you could definitely do it. Let your imagination kind of float with this one, because this one is one of those wigs that if you happen to like the little quick fast hairstyles, this is the way to go. And the perfect thing is that I like about it, it gives the synthetic look, but it really isn't synthetic, so I love that. You know how synthetic wigs just come out ready straight out the package, styled, curls, you know, everything's so perfect. This one gives that, but it's human hair. So I love that Junoda, I think it's pronounced, actually provided this one for us, because y'all, they literally came through with this one. She's so great. As you guys seen, I think I showed on a clip somewhere, I did cut out the lace, and that was pretty much it. That's all I did. I didn't even co-wash his hair. I got so excited unpacking it with you guys, and it was really experienced. Let me know what y'all think about her. She's very much so cute, different. And yeah, she's given a little bit of 90s in a modern 2023, pulling that out back into style, and I'm so here for it. Junoda, you did amazing, you guys. Everything will be listed down below. If I miss any details, it'll be listed down below in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. All in all, I definitely would recommend to assist to a friend. I say go ahead and pick her up. It will be linked on the top of the description bar, and it also will be pinned at the top of the comments for you guys. Thank y'all so much for watching. Like always, make sure you go ahead and pick up yours if you are loving, if you are short curly hair, if you are that type of big hair girl lover, I would say go ahead and pick her up. She's linked down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like always, make sure you guys go ahead and like, comment, and definitely subscribe if you haven't done so. And like always, guys, till next time.